Hi guys, my name is HaryPham. Today I'll show you the demo of a doctor's appointment booking system. And this is the first video for a tutorial. I'll teach you how to build that project. So as you can see here, this is our main website, which includes 5 sessions, medical specialties, clinics, outstanding doctors, handbook for customers, and the session only for doctors. One special feature in our website is the Facebook Messenger bot, which are embedded into the website. We can ask something like how to make a medical appointment, or who's Dr. John, info about this website, or something like that. The bot will answer our question automatically. Or even if we hit the like button, the bot will say thank you for using our services. That's interesting, isn't it? Going to our website sections, if we click on one medical specialty, we'll go to the detail page. In this page, we see all the doctors who have their specialty, introduction, and the schedule of doctors for customers to make medical appointments. The same things if we click on one clinic. We see all the doctors belong to that clinic. Customers also can make medical appointments from here. If we click on one doctor, we see all the info about that doctor, a map to show the address of that clinic which doctor belongs to. For example, I'll make a medical appointment with this doctor. A model shows up. I have to fill up all the required information, and then I hit the confirm button, and here we are. To inform customers who make appointments, we send them an email saying that their reservation is pending. Within 24 hours, our counselor will call to confirm their medical appointment. After customers are confirmed, we also send them another email notifying them info about their reservation. Doctor will see the customer list. From there, doctor can send invoices if their patient needs. Another outstanding feature in our website is the search engine. The traditional way is using query search in database with line operator, but it is slow and isn't correct if we change the query search. The solution for this is using the search engine. In this project, we're using ElasticSearch. It is full-text engine for searching. For example, if we have record the quick browse for jumps, we search for quick force or force browse, the result is the same. This will enhance our customer experience. So to sum up, this is our main features in our future website we build from scratch.